In this video, we're going to be discussing the best budget turntable for 2022. There are a lot of great options out there for budget-minded listeners, so we've put together a list of the 5 best turntables. If you're looking to upgrade your listening experience without breaking the bank, these are definitely the picks for you. In the description box, we have included links. Come on, let's get started. At number 1 is Fluance AudioTechnica Reference High Fidelity Vinyl Turntable. It's not just about saving money, it's about getting the most bang for your buck with this turntable. While the Fluance AudioTechnica Reference High Fidelity Vinyl Turntable isn't cheap, it's an affordable option that you can buy once and not have to worry about for a long time. When it comes to playing your records, the Fluance AudioTechnica takes a less is more approach. Consequently, you have a pure analog signal path from the record to the cartridge and onto your stereo's RCA jacks. In the signal path, there are no extraneous electronics or digital components. As a result of this pure approach, the acrylic platter is also created. In addition to dampening unwanted vibrations, this material prevents unpleasant sound characteristics caused by resonant reverberations. Using the platter and signal path together, you get a much richer, three-dimensional soundstage. The entire unit is supported by 3 rubber isolation feet attached to a solid wood plinth. Vibrations are prevented from traveling through the feet into the plinth, while the plinth itself provides a steady foundation for the motor, platter, and tone arm. This player doesn't include a preamp because of the approach it takes. You'll need either a stereo receiver with a phono input jack or a standalone preamp. At number 2 is Audio-Technica NL60X. Audio-Technica's NL60 series has been around for years, offering quality performance at a reasonable price. A few components have been refined and the design simplified in the NL60X, resulting in less noise and clearer sound. Tone arms are one of the changes in this newest model. A new bass and head gel were designed by Audio-Technica to improve the way the cartridge tracks the groove. In addition to reducing resonance, this new design provides a more accurate response. Additionally, the AC or DC conversion has been moved from the turntable itself to an external adapter. It might be a little harder to find an outlet to plug the turntable in, but it also keeps this noisy process from the turntable itself. With a switch that lets you choose between 33/3 RPM and 45 RPM, the Audio-Technica NL60X comes with dual speeds. It is also fully automatic, with a size selector that allows the tone arm to begin and end play automatically. The start button is all you need to do. You can choose from a variety of colors when purchasing the Audio-Technica NL60X. A more traditional look can be achieved with black or gunmetal, while a more flashy look can be achieved with red or white. At number 3 is Marantz T15 Zone Manual Belt Drive Premium Turntable. The Marantz T15 Zone Manual Belt Drive Premium Turntable might not seem as affordable as it actually is, at least for what you get. If you were to buy the tone arm and cartridge separately, they would cost more than the entire turntable. Although it has the Marantz name on it, it is actually manufactured by German high-end audio manufacturer Clear-Audio. Virtuoso MM cartridges are supplied by that company with diamond stylet that are non-replaceable. A floating motor mount on the Marantz T15 Zone reduces audible distortion and deadens vibration. When combined with the ebony wood cartridge, you'll hear details in your favorite albums you've never heard before. You'll appreciate the 3 height-adjustable aluminum feet if your home isn't exactly flat. If you need to level the platter on an uneven surface, these feet are more adjustable than most other turntable feet. You will find everything you need for assembling and adjusting the turntable with Marantz. The package includes a clever clamp, a felt slip mat, a shim for adjusting the tone arm height, bearing oil, a spare silicone drive belt, and even white gloves. At number 4 is Victrola 8-in-1 Bluetooth record player and Multimedia center. Victrola is a classic name in turntables, but more recently the company has become known for its retro styling and surprising modern features. Victrola's 8-in-1 Bluetooth record player and Multimedia center is an excellent example of what the company does today. There's much more to this than a record player, as the name implies. A CD player, cassette player, FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, line input, and headphone jack are also included. This is a great all-in-one stereo or music machine if you're looking for a second stereo. As for the turntable itself, it supports 3 speeds, 33.1/3, 45, and 78 RPM. In spite of the fact that you don't get a fancy tone arm or cartridge, you do get some nice features. You can, for example, record vinyl records to your PC using the turntable's built-in USB audio interface. RCA jacks on the back allow you to use it as a traditional turntable, even though it is meant more as a standalone player. The player works with the radio, CD player, and cassette player as well. It's a piece of decoration as much as it is a gadget, so it makes sense that it's available in multiple finishes, as well as painted finishes in black and white. There are a number of wood finishes, such as espresso, mahogany, and oak. At number 5 is Audio-Technica NL60X BT. Audio-Technica's NL60X BT might look familiar to you, but for good reason. Turntables like this are essentially identical to Audio-Technica NL60X, except they have Bluetooth built in. This raises the price a bit, but not as much as you might expect. RCA output jacks are included on this model, so you can connect it to a stereo system. It is now possible to listen to your favorite records on a speaker outside or on headphones on the other side of the room thanks to Bluetooth technology. You get the same improvements in clarity and quality with the Bluetooth model as you do with the wired model. When the stylus wears out, you can easily replace it with the same one found on the Audio-Technica NL60X. A variety of colors are available for the Bluetooth version of the Audio-Technica NL60X. In terms of wireless models, you can choose from black, white, or red. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.